Pre-surgery, I was pretty bald. I mean, it was an egg right there. I liked the look a lot, and filled in the hairline. Simple things like saying I'm outdoors a lot, and if I don't have a hat on, my head doesn't get as cold. I mean, little things like that, and I think it makes you look a little younger. So I've been very pleased with the result. The whole staff that did it was very professional. They say we're artists. We put each hair in at a very specific angle and to make it look natural. So I think to some degree people don't notice it that well. And friends of mine that know me, they're kind of jealous. They're too bald and don't have any hair left to do the procedure, but they said that they wish they could have had it. So I would highly recommend it. No, there's no downside, so why not?